Alright, welcome to Code 5 Art, and this is going to be another letter series. I'm not really feeling it today, so I'm just going to try to go for speed. But here are the previous letters, which leaves us at the letter F. And I'm just going to dive right in. Oh no, I tore. Shit. Well, these aren't perfect, but I do want to add on a little bit of accents. I don't know what they're called, but they're like little break points. But let's see what they look like. Cool, I think that wraps it up. It's a quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I'm gonna keep on chugging through this alphabet. I need to tape this up. Let's number them today. Let me know which one's your favorite. Thanks, guys. Hey, you guys have a good one.